back at that. That's how you play on the counter. Quick and decisive and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning, stunning breakaway.
And still they continue with the onslaughts.
Well, I think we've gone past humiliation now. This could be doing some...
Surely that completes the demolition if it hadn't occurred already.
Well, I wasn't expecting them to go... The understanding between those two plays a big part in that, and releasing the run on side proved the key ingredient.
Hot knife through butter! They have done it again! Just so calm under pressure.
Abraham demonstrated great strength there. I mean, he really had to hold his man off and just create enough room for him to be able to get the shot away. And I think it's just top play.
More! And they are pulling clear here. Given such an open invitation, he was always going to shoot.
Yeah, and teamwork was key to that. A beautiful piece of engineering to set him free in the box.
He's made it 3.